News release. November 7, 2025. Contact, VPPNM Vision Press Production News Media. Email, visionpress@windstream.net. Irvona, PA, VPPNM has received financial reports and is addressing a line item labeled drug screening. According to sources, TIMA has used drug screening as a lever to cause employees to be possibly dismissed. Was this done to try to cause Ms. Casey Dick to resign or to be dismissed? One eyewitness said drug screening was used in the past with the employee, but the LOL failed to cause the person to be dismissed. Drug screening expense analysis, 2022 to 2024. Year. Expense amount. Notes. 2022. $45.00. Minimal screening activity, possibly one-time or limited scope. 2023. $40.00. Slight decrease, consistent with prior year's limited usage. 2024. $540.00. Significant increase over 12x the prior year. Indicates expanded screening, policy change, or onboarding surge. Observations. 2022 to 2023 stability, both years show nominal costs, suggesting minimal drug testing activity or a static workforce. 2024 spike, the dramatic rise in 2024 may reflect new hiring protocols or expanded workforce, revised compliance standards or insurance requirements, a shift toward more rigorous employee vetting. Pennsylvania law does not prohibit drug testing of public employees, but using it to harass or target individuals may violate workplace discrimination and hostile environment protections. If drug screening was used in 2024 by TIMA as a tool of retaliation or personal bias, it could raise serious legal and ethical concerns. Legal framework for drug testing in Pennsylvania. 1. Voluntary but regulated practice. Pennsylvania law permits employers including public entities like municipal authorities to conduct drug testing. However, it must be done with employee consent and in accordance with fair workplace policies. Drug testing is not mandated by state law except in safety-sensitive or federally regulated roles. Employers must balance privacy rights with the goal of maintaining a drug-free workplace. 2. Commonwealth policy on substance abuse. The Commonwealth of Pennsylvania enforces a drug-free workplace policy. Prohibits unlawful use or possession of controlled substances. Allows disciplinary action, including termination, for being unfit due to substance use. Requires that such policies be applied uniformly and not selectively. 3. Hostile work environment protections. If drug screening is used to intimidate, retaliate, or selectively target employees based on personal dislike or bias, it may constitute a hostile work environment or discriminatory practice under Pennsylvania labor law. Harassment includes repeated, unwarranted actions that create an intimidating or offensive work environment. Employers may be liable if they allow or engage in discriminatory enforcement of policies. 2024 drug screening spike, a red flag. The 2024 financials show a dramatic increase in drug screening costs from $40 in 2023 to $540 in 2024. This spike, combined with eyewitness testimony alleging misuse by a specific individual, could suggest a shift from routine compliance to targeted enforcement. Potential abuse of authority if screenings were used to pressure resignations or dismiss employees without cause. If this pattern is substantiated, it may warrant internal investigation by TIMA or Borough Council. Legal review of employment practices and disciplinary records. Policy reform to ensure fair and ethical use of drug testing. Recommendations for ethical oversight. Audit screening records, who was tested, why, and what outcomes followed. Review employment separations, or resignations or terminations linked to screenings. Implement safeguards, ensure drug testing is governed by written, uniformly applied policy. Protect whistleblowers, eyewitness accounts should be documented and protected from retaliation. Sources: Pennsylvania Drug Testing Laws 2025. Commonwealth of Pennsylvania Substance Abuse Policy. Legal Beagle, Hostile Work Environment in Pennsylvania.